When the volume means, in this question we are going to find the volume of a solid generated by revolving one arc of the cycloid. X equal to a theta minus sine theta, y equal to a 1 minus cos theta about its base. So required volume. So since we are finding the volume of the cycloid, so because the cycloid will look somewhat like this, so we'll try to find the volume of the cycloid in this. The volume what is generated here and this will be same. Okay, so we'll try to find the volume only in these cases. So we'll just multiply with 2. So we are multiplying with 2, so we get here 0 to pi. The limit is from 0 to pi y square dx. So pi y we know here it is what, a 1 minus cos theta whole thing square. We'll find differentiation of this. Okay, so we are finding here, see, x is a theta minus sine theta. So if I differentiate this with respect to theta, we get a. Theta differentiation is 1. Differentiation of sine theta is cos. So we get a 1 minus cos theta. So what is dx? A 1 minus cos theta d theta. So we have dx as a 1 minus cos theta d theta. So here we get a square. So a square into a, we get a cube. So you bring this one this side. So we get 2 pi a cube. And here we get 1 minus cos theta whole thing square, 1 minus cos theta. So that is nothing but 1 minus cos theta whole thing cube. So we try to use the formula here. So we get 2 sine square theta by 2. So we get, if we to the power 3. So if we get if we multiply 2 3 times, we get 8. So this 2 into 3 we get 6. So we get sine to the power 6 theta by 2 d theta. So 2 into 8 we get nothing but 16. So here we are getting as 16 pi a square. So pi a cube, we get 16 pi a cube. And this is from 0 to pi sine to the power 6 theta by 2 d theta. So let us assume this theta by 2 as t. So you take t equal to theta by 2. Now you differentiate this with respect to theta. So we get dt by d theta is equal to 1. dt by d theta with respect to theta, we get nothing but 1 by 2. So we get 2 dt is equal to d theta. So we have to change the limits also. When theta is 0, you put here 0 here. So you substitute here 0. When we get t to be 0, you put theta to be pi, you put pi here, then t will be pi by 2. So the limit changes from 0 to pi by 2. Sine to the power 6 t. Here we have 2 dt. So 2 into 16 we get 32 pi a cube, 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 6 t dt. Now we'll use this reduction formula which you have learned in the first sem. So we are going to use this reduction formula. Here we have 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power nx dx is equal to n minus 1 by n I n minus 2. Here n is 6, so we get 6 minus 1 by 6 I 6 minus 2, that is 4. I4 is nothing but integration 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 4t dt. We'll again apply this, so we get 4 minus 1 by 4 I4 minus 2, that is I2. So I2 also will apply, so 2 minus 1 by 2 I2 minus 2, that is 0. So we get sine to the power 0 t, that is nothing but 1. So we get last integration which is left is 0 to pi by 2 dt. Then after that, here you have to simplify, you have to cancel and all. So after cancelling, we get 2 pi a cube 5 into 1, 0 to pi by 2 dt. So if we integrate t, we get nothing but dt. If we integrate dt, we get nothing but t. So we are having the limit from 0 to pi by 2. You put the upper limit, so we get pi by 2 minus 0. You multiply this, so we get here, you cancel this and this, so we get here 5 pi square a cube. So the volume of the cycloid which is formed is nothing but 5 pi square a cube. So in the similar manner you can do these questions. So this question is same, so you can try in the similar manner for this. Thank you.